What are your names first?
I'm Nadie.
Nadie. Rakea. Okay. And you guys both you organise?
We're the leaders of Sofar Sounds. Yeah. So basically, we're like the founders and leaders of this city. So we began Sofar Sounds in Birmingham in 2012.
Yeah, October 2012.
And we've been doing it. And
we loved the experience as musicians, really. And we were kind of like, this is amazing. Like, you don't get shows like this anywhere. And there are these amazing, passionate groups of people putting this on all over the world. Because at that point, it was all over the world, but it was very scattered. It hadn't grown as much as it has now. And we were kind of like if we can bring this to our city or help other musicians do this in any way, we'd love to. Let's do it. Let's get involved. Have you done many gigs like this before?
No, not so far. No, this is the first. We did another acoustic one last week, which was also in Birmingham, which was really good. This was
Why was that?
But now I found the higher ground where I can be.